We've got 10 minutes to completely restore this barn find.
Groan. Classic car shows these days are more recap than resto, use resources most of us don't have, and give more screen time to building drama than they do cars. Well, this isn't that. This is a real story told in stop motion. It's one guy doing it instead of dreaming about it. It's what it really takes to restore a car and take that first drive. Okay, projects aren't finished every episode, but this is reality for your average Joe, sticking his neck out to learn the new skills he needs to do it himself. There are interesting interviews.
You need to be able to bring feedback back to them and tell them what the car is doing, and they can react to that. If you don't do that, you're not going to win.
It's my job to work out what the loads on that component are going to be.
We did the Gumball Rally in London. It's the first person stopped by the police. We were in a Bedford Rascal 18 van.
The occasional how-to.
We're back and we've got a hole drilled in this.
And when something's finally finished, maybe the odd car review too. All by a guy who's doing it for the cars. It isn't the greatest car show ever. It's kind of a slow build. But all the best builds are. It's called Soup. Classic motoring. Get stuck in.